But you will find that it is not a falling, but it is a flying. I said sometime earlier that we are naturally able to fly. Naturally, we are able to fly, but we have forgotten about this. We have forgotten about this. And we believe that even to walk, we need the crutches of thought. So not only have we forgotten that our natural state is to fly, but we also believe that even to walk we need the crutches of thought. And it is these crutches that we are scared to let go of. Because we fear that we will fall. But the instant we let go of these crutches, we start to fly. And flying actually seems new to us. Because flying seems new to us, then initially it seems a little shaky. We often say it does not feel like my feet are on the ground. It feels like I'm going to fall any minute. And that is when the master says, "Come, come, let's fly together. Hold my hand and we will fly together." Together as one, actually. The whole spiritual journey is condensed into this, to get you to a point where there is no need to hold on to any thought. There is no fear of falling. You will love the master so much that you know that if he is there with you, then nothing can hurt you at all. And with this love, letting go becomes the simplest thing. And what is letting go actually? It is not really that we are hanging from some cliff. If it was real that we were hanging from some cliff, then I would understand the fear. But the fact is that we are always the one in which all this appearance is happening. We are even more supreme than the Supreme Lord itself, who is creating this entire universe. So there is no cliff, there is no flying, and there is no falling also. It only seems this way. And in this play, this is how it plays out. Your own heart is holding your hand. And the instant it is realized that it is all one, then everything is completely clear. So letting go is not even of opening your hand. Letting go is not even of opening your hand. It is only to not believe the thought that comes next. Only don't believe the next thought. That's all. That is all that letting go is. That much we can do, no? All of us can do this.